Did you know I knew a magic trick? Well, I do. It's very, very simple. It's the easiest way to clean passion fruit you could ever use. The frozen aisle. This is probably one of the best products you can get. Very, very, very simple. And it's already done for you. And they're bite-sized pieces of passion fruit. And if you've ever tried to clean passion fruit, it's really hard. So I use this all the time as a trick. Sometimes I can't get it out, so I'm gonna just use my old trusty knife and open up the bag. So far, so hard, right? So this is available pretty much anywhere. So this is kind of like a passion fruit puree. So really what you wanna do is you wanna strain this off. And if it's really good passion fruit, which this is, it should be a really beautiful puree. And you're saying, why passion fruit, right? Well, let me tell you, passion fruit is your substitute for lemon and like that acidic taste, as well as this really perfumey, beautiful flavor profile. And the reason why I double strained it back into the bowl is because I don't want that in my drinks. If I was making a different kind of like, say, an acai bowl or a curry or something like that, and I was gonna cook with it, totally different. Doesn't matter if it's in there. You all know me. You've all been here with me. I do not drink the salads in my drink. So you're gonna double strain it, leaving this beautiful puree, and then we're gonna use this in a cocktail. That's simple. It's the season of the passion fruit. Couldn't get any easier, could it?